Merry Christmas and welcome to Carol's Kitchen.
Bob! What are you doing? This is my show, Jim's Kitchen. Come on now.
Oh, I'm sorry, Jim, but I just wanted to, it's the holiday and I just wanted to join
Well,
you.
that's great. What are we going to make today?
Well, I thought we would make some chocolate pudding shots.
Chocolate pudding shots? What's that involve?
Well, we start with one package of Jell-O chocolate instant pudding mix.
I love Jell-O.
Oh, you know what? Another way you can make this instead of chocolate is pistachio.
Ooh, my favorite thing that you make is pistachio pudding cake.
That's right, with the pecan crust.
I'll have to make that sometime.
You always love that, Jim. We'll have to do that. And next we're going to add a half a cup of milk. There you go. Half a cup of this delicious Irish cream.
Yes.
Okay. And then you're going to just begin to whisk it. And if you want, you can add a teaspoon of espresso powder also.
Do you want me to help with whisking too?
Absolutely.
Let's
Please,
get whisking.
please do. Just like pudding. Do it just like the pudding. Okay, and next we're going to put in a half cup of whipped vodka. Ooh, I need a little
Whipped.
help on that.
Whipped. Nice. Look, it looks like whipped cream on there.
That's right. Okay, a half a cup. And we're just going to use a spoon to stir this in. And you know, we could do it just a little drop more.
Yes, I like that idea.
And if you'll stir that.
Yes, I can.
And then next, you're going to fold in your 8 ounces, which is 1 carton, of the Cool Whip. We're going to use the whole thing, like so. And just fold that in.
Nice.
And now we're going to purchase these little condiment cups.
Oh, nice.
You get 50 to a pack, which is perfect. If you're going to double this recipe, you'll end up getting 50. And then you can stack them, put them in the refrigerator.
What if I want to taste it now?
You can do it. Let's go for it.
You eat this with a spoon?
You do.
Okay. Whoa! That packs a punch!
Oh no.
I love it!
Oh.
Oh, Bob, you done me proud. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us here on Jim's Kitchen.
Oh, well, it has been a
I
pleasure,
can't
Jim.
wait to cook with you again in the future.
I don't know.
Thank you,
Thank
everybody.
you. And thanks for joining us
Merry
on
Christmas.
Jim's Kitchen. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye.